Hey YouTube, this is IronKnuckle229 or 94, and welcome to my Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls opening. So let's crack this thing open. I know you get some pretty cool stuff in this one. I can't remember. I'm not even gonna look. I know it's good stuff. That over there, that's over there. Open it up. See what's inside. Put our variant cards on the top and our 5 packs. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Put this to the side. And our 5 packs. We'll take a look at those next after we do our variant cards. Hold on. There we go. So we have the guy that's on the front, obviously. We have Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. Very cool. And I just heard Redox got, or I think most of the dragons Tidal Redox, Tenfi's, what's his name? I think they got nerfed to you only can play 1 in your deck, which kind of sucks for my new deck that I'm making, but I'm sure I'll find a way. It's still a good deck. So, Tidal Wave, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. And we have, Blackluster Soldier Envoy at the beginning. I'm pretty sure they reprinted it because this is such a good card. Just, you know, in those Lightstorm decks, and those Graveyard Mill decks, stuff like that. They're in every deck. It's like a better version of Chaos Sorcerer, so very cool. The thing I get with these tins, when they make a tin, they reprint cards that are really hard to find, like this. So, which I think is a great way to get people into the game, so they have good cards right off the bat. Then, yeah, this is another case. Allied Justice, Catastor. This is another card that people are looking for to get, because this card is pretty good. It's good in side decks. It you know, if it attacks, you get to destroy. Too many D's on that. Get to destroy an opponent's monster that isn't dark, but I know a lot of monsters are dark these days, so it's a good card to have. And we have great Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max. Alright. That looks insane. 2 level 10 monsters. Once per turn you can attach 1 Exceed material from this card and inflict 2,000 damage to your opponent. That's not bad. I mean, 2 level 10 though, that's kind of steep. Man. And our last card is Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. Yes! This is why I'm happy. You know why I'm happy? Because I got this as an ultra rare in Cosmo Blazer when he first came out, and I sold him right away. And now he's reprinted in a tin, and he's not worth very much anymore. So that is why I am happy about that. So very nice cards. Now we have our packs. Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Or 2, I should say. And then 2 Abyss Rising, and 1 Hidden Arsenal 7, Night of the Stars. So we'll start out with this, move to Abyss Rising, and end on Galaxy. I think the first card is the secret rare. I'm not sure on that, so we'll open it this way. Do the card trick. Move that to the back. Alright. So we have Constellar Antares, Gem Knight Zirconia, cool, Lavale Flogus, Gem Knight Sardonyx, and our secret rare is Constellar Star Chant. Interesting. It's an interesting card. Okay, now we move on to our first pack of Abyss Rising. And move our 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a rare. We have Grand Ram. Crazy. Gravity Blaster. Final Gesture. Exceed Extreme with 2 exclamation points. So, you know it's going to be extreme. Oh wow. We have a secret rare spellbook library of the Heliosphere. Wow. Very nice. Very cool looking. Those spellbook cards, they're finding me. Very cool. Very awesome. Heroic Challenger Extra Sword. Madolche Ticket. Fishborg Planter. And our rare is Emperor of Prophecy. Cool. So I got a secret rare, which is really awesome so far. A good start. It's already made the tin back for me. Next we have Abyss Rising. Our second of 2 Abyss Rising, I should say. And there goes that pack. It's not like I use them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Exceed Extreme. Yeah, right. Missing Force. Mermail Abysslung. Achacha Chanbara. Wow, and what? We have an ultimate rare. Empress of Prophecy. Wow. So they're kind of... We have the Emperor of Prophecy and the Empress of Prophecy. Very nice. So an ultimate rare. Very, very nice. Wow. Good pulls. Wow. Very nice. That is very cool looking in ultimate rare, I'll tell you that. Awesome. Empress of Prophecy. Those S cards, they always screw me up. Very cool. Stoic of Prophecy. Stoic. It's not static. Stoic of Prophecy. House Dustin. Mogmol. And our rare is Abyss Storm. So very nice. Very nice pulls so far. Really happy. And now we move on to 1 of 2. Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Tachyon. Keep them coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We have Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf. Burner, Dragon Ruler of Sparks. Little Fairy. Aurora Wing. Legendary Atlantean Tridon. Battling Boxer Sparer. Dragon Carnation. Radius, the Half Moon Dragon. And our rare is CXYZ Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. Wow. That looks crazy. What? It had to go and turn the Fairy Cheer Girl dark. Well, then she won't be very cheery, would she? Because she's dark. Okay. Sorry. Last pack of Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Come on. That was pretty bad, I gotta admit. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We have Little Fairy. Rise Bell the Star Adjuster. Eagle Shark. 5 Brothers Explosion. Stream Dragon Ruler of Droplets. Abyss Scale of the Mizuchi. Blizzard Falcon. Sonic Warrior. And our rare is Megan Phantom Beast Heatherwolf. Oh, he loves me, this guy. This rare Tetherwolf, he loves me. Oh, still a cool card though. It's like a... I don't know what that is, to be honest. I don't know what half these cards are. They're cool, and I like them. So very good pulls in this. What did we open just now? Let's take a look in this Tidal, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls tin. Yes, that's what we opened. Come on now. We got... Here, I'll actually do a recap. Because I like to do recaps. Very nice. Oh my goodness, these are good cards. So I'll just pick the 3 that really I liked. So we got Dark Fairy Cheer Girl, not very cheery. Okay. Empress of Prophecy, Ultimate Rare. Very special. Very special. And then a Secret Rare Spellbook Library of the Heliosphere. Awesome. So this has been Iron Knuckle 229 or 94. Thanks for watching. And I don't think a tin video should take 11 minutes to open. No. If you just, you know, yeah. 11 minutes. Okay. So this has been Iron Knuckle 229 or 94. Outros for the win. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.